Have you ever been working on something and needed to bend a little piece of metal, whether it was like a little piece for body work or like making a bracket for something, just needed to put a bend in it? I'd seen a press attachment on sale, come on sale at Princess Auto there, and I thought it was kind of cool, but I didn't like the price tag on it. And I was looking at it and I was thinking, that could be made pretty easily. So I was digging around for some scraps of metal and stuff. I always like to keep some scraps around, have access to some pretty good scraps at work. And this is basically just all scrap metal. And I kind of just come up with my own version of it. But I haven't bent anything really too thick in it. But I mostly just, anything I'm doing is usually just sheet metal and stuff like that anyway. But it actually works pretty good. You can bend up to a 90 degree, but obviously you could stop anytime before that for a smaller bend. But I'll just pump it up here and do a bend just as an example of how easily it works and how good it works. Yeah, there we go. And this is just a little 12-ton press that you can get at Princess Auto here in Canada. But yeah, makes some pretty good bends. If you had to build a little bracket or just like doing a little patch panel or something in your car. But, all scrap metal. Didn't cost anything.